I've been working on Carbon Frontier for almost 150 days now. Carbon Frontier is a full realistic factory game with very detailed models. With a full build system, pipe system, power system, and more, everything is built to resemble real industrial systems. Right now we have around 45 machines and systems, and in the upcoming update, which is Steam Turbine Generations, there will be 19 new models added to the game, with many more to come in the future. If you want to see what I'm planning next, I also made a Carbon Frontier website. It shows what I'm currently working on along with plans for future updates. The link is in the description below. There is also a Discord server where you can follow updates, suggest features, report bugs, and interact with the community. Now back to the game, let's talk about the AQI system. AQI is basically pollution and machines can contribute to it. Also, if your AQI is too high, you will get AQI fines per week. The more AQI you have, the higher the fines will be. This is what 200 AQI looks like, and this is what 20 AQI looks like. Another system in the game are shade-affected solar panels. This one is in direct sunlight and this one is not in direct sunlight. As you can see, the way you orient your solar panels matters. Also, if your solar panel is covered by shade, it will produce substantially less energy than if it's not covered by shade. But if only, let's say, 1/3 of it is covered by shade, it will produce more energy than if the whole thing is covered by shade. There is also a wind speed and direction system. As you can see, the wind turbine in the front is directed toward the wind, while the wind turbine in the back is directed away from the wind. In turn, the wind turbine in the back does not generate any energy. The more your wind turbine is oriented toward the wind, the more power it generates. On the right is a rotating wind turbine, and on the left is a normal wind turbine. The rotating wind turbine does not have to deal with the direction of the wind since it rotates with the wind. It might not look different at first, but in the time lapse you'll see how it turns. And all of these systems are designed to work together as part of the game. So it's not just about building, it's about how everything interacts. Carbon Frontier is still in development, but it's starting to come together, and I've got a lot more planned for it. Build, manage, unlock, expand. Carbon Frontier.